Monday?
Monday. Juan, talk to me.
What's up, bro? Chilling. Today we have the potluck at the shop today. Brought to you by yours truly, Brody, cameraman in the back, you know.
Yes, sir.
So we're gonna be doing a little bit of eating. It's only gonna be a little hour, then we're all gonna go back to work, but it'll be a little cool for everybody, you know. Feel like a family, you know.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
Why are we having a potluck?
Huh?
Why are we having a potluck though?
Thanksgiving?
Yeah,
Thanksgiving?
Yeah.
What about Thanksgiving?
It's Thanksgiving week.
It is?
Yeah.
Jesus!
Yeah. After Thanksgiving.
No, I'm just kidding. Thanksgiving is this. It's Thursday?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's Thursday?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, it's Thursday. Yeah!
We're gonna have a luncheon, Thanksgiving luncheon for everybody.
Beautiful.
And then that's it. Everybody can go home.
How's the rice one?
Tastes like grass.
Sounds delicious to me.
Tastes like grass. It tastes. You know when you cut fresh grass? You know that smell?
Yeah.
That's what it tastes like.
Like a lawnmower.
No, like the edge, like that grass when you cut the grass.
When you cut it, when you use
Yeah.
like fresh cut. Yeah.
I swear to God. I swear to God.
Does it taste good though?
What does it taste like? You
Well-
eating grass?
It doesn't taste like you're eating grass because your mind knows you're not eating grass.
No.
She's
No,
sick.
Oh yeah, no. It's good.
Yeah, it does.
I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you like to eat grass. Nothing wrong with that.
Have you tried grass?
I tell you what, if I did try it, it would taste just like this.
Stop it.
I don't know why, but I feel
I'm
nervous.
gonna
I
judge for
understand.
one.
I'm
You
nervous.
know how
for that.
like when your dog has a stomachache and he just eats grass?
See what I mean?
Dude.
This was meant to be, bro.
What happened?
I said that I got a stomach ache, and it's like, well, it's good. You're eating grass, just like dogs. You know, when they don't feel good, they'll eat grass. I just love talking to myself.
What did you say?
Nothing. This is a white oak butcher block that's gonna go in an outside kitchen
All right.
tomorrow.
Are we gonna see more of this? Like of this build?
Yes. Come on, I'll give you guys
All right.
a little tour. So that top, that butcher block that we were just discussing, these cabinets are gonna go on top of it. I mean, on the bottom of it. And then these doors, these are gonna be installed tomorrow. I'm gonna do some final touch-ups. There's a couple little areas that I wanna sand down and clean, repaint again. So, wanna make sure that everything looks good when we get it over there. And that's it. Well, stay tuned and you'll see the final results Wednesday. What?
What?
What? Like an explosion.
So I am grateful for my family, for the Flippin Rustic family, for everybody in this team, for my dad who's still alive. My mom's no longer here. For Juan, for his family, for Mowgli, right Mowgli? For Mateo, and just for being here another year.
What is that for?
The ham, bro.
Oh my gosh.
Assassin!
I think it's, you know,
¿Ves? No sirve el machete ese.
That is absurd.
Eso es lo que dice. Ese machete
Pero
tuyo
mira,
sirve.
esto es, you did.
I know, I didn't. I know. You say. This, you can fillet with this.
1.
2.
What are you grateful for? What are you grateful for?
I am grateful for my family, my home family. I'm grateful for my work family. I'm grateful for Ramon family. Jefe, síbete.
Okay, I'm thankful for my family. Thankful for the Flippin Rustic family. I've known Veronica and Juan for a long time. So Veronica's like my sister. I love her. And I'm really happy to be here. I'm thankful for my daughter and for everything. For my parents that are alive. And everything.
Awesome. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Yeah. All right, Veronica. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm out of here.
Happy Thanksgiving, Brody!
Beautiful. Awesome.